Hey guys, welcome to this special project. So for this special project, you'll need paper, a blue crayon, pencil, and scissors, okay? Let's start. Ta-da! Number 1. Step 1, fold your paper like this in half, okay? Ta-da! Alright, and then you open it and then you cut. There you go. Cut. In half. Alright, good job. And then this paper, fold it in half like this. Look, fold in half and then fold open like this. And then on the other side, same. Fold open like this. Okay? And then you can open it like this. Looks like that. Okay? Look, like an M. Alright? So now you have this. On this side, color blue. Blue. All blue here. Okay? Blue. This is the water. Blue. Oh, sorry. Blue. And same thing on the other side. Blue. Good job. So now you have this. You have blue here. Let's put it aside for now. And this paper, I want you to make, so cut in half. So like this. And then cut like, fold in half again like this. And then last one, fold like this. And draw your line. Okay, so now you have this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All of it blue, okay? So just all of it blue. Blue. Look at that. All of it blue, okay? And then one more time, one more time, fold it like this. Fold it like this. And draw one more line. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then you cut, okay? So cut. And then cut into the small pieces. Wow. There you go. You have so many cuttings, so there you go. And here we go. Okay, so now you have these pieces. And now you have, take your slip and slide back. And you're going to do this with mom or dad, okay? So with mom and dad, so here, I'm gonna show you. So you can see. So this is mom and dad's hand, okay? And this is your hand. Hi. So mom and dad and you together, you're going to put the water. So you can do 3 times. So first, mom and dad and you goes up. The slip and slide will be so much fun. Okay? One more time. The slip and slide will be so much fun. And last one, number 3. The slip and slide will be so much fun. Ta-da! So now all the slip and slide, you have your water. So mom and dad together, okay? Isyo. Ne, mama to papa ni isyo ni. Okay? Good job. And then, when you're done, you can write your name here. My name is Hitomi. Okay, guys, remember, mom and dad together. Mom or dad. Mom ka or mama ka papa ka mo dochiden mo hiye. Ne? So, together 3 times. The slip and slide will be so much fun. Okay? Mom and dad, you gotta help. And then, after you finish, you can put it inside a plastic bag like this to bring to HKIS, okay? Don't forget to tie it so the water doesn't come out, okay? So, there you go. So with mom and dad, you can make your art project, your special project. Okay, guys? Okay, see you. Goodbye.